loosen our oil cap, remove this. Let's go ahead and pop off our engine cover here. Reinstall our oil fill cap and set the cover aside. I'm going to use our ratchet on the front of the tensioner. I'm going to push that forward. It's going to release the tension on that belt, release our serpentine belt, and then release the tensioner. Now go ahead and remove the belt. All your accessories here. If you want to, you can take a picture of the front of the motor so you remember the belt routing. This has 9 pulleys on here. Can be confusing when you go to reassemble. Take a picture. You can do a drawing. It's best to document the route so you don't take a 10-minute job and turn it into a 2-hour job. Using a 15mm shallow socket in our ratchet, let's go ahead and remove the bolt from the center of your belt tensioner. Go ahead and get that tensioner bolt started. And we'll go ahead and snug that down. Let's get and torque down this bolt to 37 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and install our belt. This is the point where your picture that you may have taken earlier will come in handy, or your drawing. Now that we have the belt run around almost all of our pulleys, we have it off of our idler pulley right here. We're going to bring up the tensioner, and then we're going to pull this belt and put it underneath this idler pulley here. Now that we have the belt on, you want to go around to each pulley, make sure the belt is in all of the grooves properly. Power steering, idler, alternator, tensioner, idler, water pump, crankshaft, AC, and idler. Everything looks good. Pop off our oil fill here.